ride till we won, built a home and watched it burn. I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand.
Hey y'all, so right now I am working on some kids wrap around braided ponytails. This is for like the parents who do not know how to do hair like that and they want to put this style their kids' hair up into a ponytail. I'm going to create some braided ponytails for you guys to have, especially right now when it's busy school season. So what I will be using is this 3 bundled expressions here made for kids. It's already cut into 28 inches. I'm technically just folding it in half and it converts into 14 inches worth of hair. I am going to curl the end. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. It looks like this at the moment. They're going to have the curly ends on it. I'm going to add some beads to some of them. I'm going to add some barrettes. So the products that I'm using is this essentially 3 bundle kids braiding hair. Made from this pre-stretched Kanekalam 28 inches. Once I fold, I'm not cutting it. Once I fold it over, it converts into 14 inches. It's gonna have some curls in the end, which will bring the inches down a little more, so maybe about, I'm gonna say 8 inches of braids, and the rest will be full of curls. These are the bubbles that I will be placing them on. I will be using scissors. I really don't need a comb, but I have a comb just in case I have, if this tangles up and I have to braid it out. I'm using my gel fan. The gel that I'm using, I usually don't like to use this on my actual client's hair because I feel like it contains a lot of alcohol, but I'm using it for the braiding hair at this moment just to keep the flowers and the frizz out, and then this is what I'm using right here. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to do about 8 braids per bundle, and I'm going to show you how to finish it up in a little bit. So I know it looks like less than 14 hair on each bobo, but I ended up having to go back and make it fuller because I made the braids skinny. They're small size braids, so I went and added a total of 14 braids to each bobo bundle. Stay tuned so you can see. So I moussed the braids down. I didn't show that part really, but I am now cutting off the flyaways. I dipped the hair in boiling water. I added a little bit of the it's like a leave-in conditioning mousse, just to, like, you know, seal the deal. And then I am now placing the bundles inside these plastic bags. I end up ironing those satin pouches that I have sitting here on my chair, because I want to make sure that when I ship these out and package them for my clients, they are seamlessly packaged, no wrinkles or anything. But yeah, so here we go. I folded it over. Again, these are 2 ponytail hairstyle, so this could be for a half up, half down ponytail look, or, you know, 2 Mickey Mouse ponytail braided look. However you parents want to do the hairstyle. I will post some ideas at the end of this video, so you guys can have some ideas on how to place these easy to install ponytail on your child's hair. So I have officially ironed the pouches. I have placed a business card in there. I have both the bundles of braids ponytail in here as well, and I also included a how to install brochure, as you see right here. So pretty much kind of giving you guys a little more details on how to maintain and install the ponytail. And yeah, I do not own rights to these images. I just want to give you an example of the hairstyle.
What do you think about this?
I love it.
What about this?
I love it more.
How about this?
I love